Guys, we finally have the new winch lines from Rhino USA. This one is perfect for your Jeeps, your half tons, even your full-size trucks. It's a 3/8 by 95 foot. This is perfect for your side-by-sides, your ATVs. It's a 1/4 inch by 50 foot. So take your hook in, slide it through the loop in, and then we'll pull all that slack out and we'll get it nice and tight on the drum. So now that we have all the excess slack in, we're gonna pull this tight, and then before we get it too tight, we're gonna slide it all the way over with the light pressure just to get that first loop or two. After you have a couple loops on there, now we put full pressure and winch in as tight as you can. A lot of times it's good to hook your Jeep or your truck to a tree or another vehicle and just winch in with a bunch of tension on it. That way that first full wrap on the drum is nice and secure. So now that we have an entire wrap, all the red safety area is wrapped onto the drum, it's not gonna come loose as long as you don't let the red out. You wanna keep at least a solid full wrap on the drum at all times. If you let too much line out, you may see the rope start to spin on the drum. And traditionally, if you let too much line out, you will break your terminal end on a normal style winch rope. This is why we prefer the open loop end. It's almost a universal fitting for all types of winches. In my opinion, it's much better than a terminal end. If you let too much line out with a terminal style end, which is your traditional way to hook up a winch, they always break. Even if you have a full wrap on the drum, they still break. I've broken many of them, so we decided to go with the loop end on this. It's just a safer option. It's easier to install and it lasts much longer.